All right, so YouTube, man, we off in Walmart right now. I'm up picking up some lights for Christmas, and we're gonna hang some Christmas lights at the house tonight, man. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get it cracking. YouTube, what's cracking, man? What's going down? It's your boy Money Mitchell. You already know I'm back again with another one. So today on the Mitchell Way, man, we are tree trimming in the Mitchell household. So today we are trying to get into the holiday spirit. My wife said, let's go ahead and put up the tree. So we're gonna put the tree up today, and we also, well, tonight, it's already nighttime, but we had a pretty cool day as well. And we also gonna put up some lights outside. So if you guys don't go nowhere, stay tuned, keep it locked. All right, so we already got the tree opened up. Let's get it cracking, y'all. So, you know where we're gonna set it up at already.
Sit down.
We found a good spot for it. So, Jay, get the other pieces to it. Let's bring them over here on the back side.
Stop. Y'all gonna knock it down.
I have to help them.
No, you hyperactive right now.
Everybody gonna get a chance to participate. We just want to get everything taken out the box so y'all can decorate y'all Christmas tree. And we're gonna get into the holiday spirit. We should have had some Christmas music. Y'all want to turn on some carols?
No.
No, never.
Say it again. So that's a negative on the lights. I mean on the music, huh?
Big negative.
Wow.
Show them how my thing I picked out my.
Of course, Carla always want to comment. She over there trying to run things. Didn't want to put on her coveralls to come in here. But we're going to decorate this tree tonight. Y'all getting a chance to see the Mitchell Way, man. Live, raw, and uncut. There go Pooh.
Hi.
Hey. All right. So here we go. So let's begin. Jay and Kyron playing as usual. So now that we got everything set aside, we are breaking everything apart. Jay and I are going to begin to lay the base. So he has the base, he's putting that together, and I'm breaking out the floor cloth, which is really nice. We purchased everything over at the local Walmart here in our area. We got all of the decorations as well as the tree. So we were able to do it all in a one-stop shop, which is good. So Jay's putting the base down. I've already laid the floor cloth. And we have it set in the perfect spot. So now we are looking for the base. Where is the base? Man, give me that base. Yeah, so we couldn't find the base, but Pooh, look at my baby. She's definitely helpful. She found the base, and we were able to begin to start the assembly. So we had everything kind of situated around in that small little space there, so it was kind of tight to work with. So we did the best we could. We have a large little dining table there, so it's kind of a tight fit, but we made it work. So I got the base in, and we are beginning now to feather out all of the limbs and the leaves that are on the tree so that it will look as full as possible. And we'll have a very, very beautiful tree. Kiddos here are very excited. It's been quite a while since we did something like this, since they were, smaller. And also my wife, if you're wondering why she's not participating, but she is, as you see, giving directions and supervising as usual. CEO. She had surgery a few weeks ago, so she's been down for a couple of weeks, but she is healing well and recovering well. So we were grateful for that. You know, she had the surgery a couple of weeks before Thanksgiving, and we're thankful that she was able to make it out of surgery successful and have a healthy and speedy recovery. So shout out to my wife, man. Thank God for her. So now everybody's involved. We're all getting in our individual task, and hey, it's starting to look like a tree. So we got the base going, Pooh's jumping in, Kyron's in, Junior's over there manning his post. My wife, look at her. Look at her. I told her about Ashley and Kayla. I said they're gonna be mad at us. But yeah, man, if you've been following the channel, Ashley is our second to oldest daughter, and Kayla is our oldest daughter. And Kayla's away at Prairie View A&M University at college, so she's going to school right now, and she was unable to be home for the tree trimming. But we do this a lot, and they are very, very involved in it. The kids love it. So sorry, Kayla and Ashley. Ashley away at Nana house. She's at school. She goes to school in a different district, so she's at Nana's house. Tree's coming together pretty well. So now we're getting ready to put together the second half of the tree. Tree up. Now let's trim. We did get the top half of the tree installed. I apologize if you guys aren't able to see it. We didn't have a great spot to put the camera in, but we are almost done. So the tree is done. Hope you guys like it. I think it came out great. It was really, really tall, so I had to kind of zoom out to get everything in it, but we really came together as a family tonight and had a really, really good time. Everybody enjoyed each other. We showed a lot of love, and this is really a blessing for us all to do. So right now the kids are starting to get really excited because they see the lights. They were happy about it. They're taking pictures. Kyron's over there getting the swaggy pose on. And yeah, man, overall it was a great time. All right, you guys, man. So that concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed our Christmas tree, what we call it, tree trimming, Christmas tree trimming. So we had a good time trimming the tree. Hope you guys like our tree. We put the tree together. It took about maybe an hour and a half or so. The kiddos enjoyed it. We really did a good job, I think. I like the tree. We have it set up in front of the window for the neighbors to see. And the house is coming together really well, getting everything really festive. And we are getting set for the holidays, baby, the Mitchell way. You dig? You already know, man. So I appreciate y'all hanging around with us for this long, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But, hey, man, we can't stick around for too much longer. But before we go,
Like and